What's up, YouTube? It's another Saturday night. Welcome back to my kitchen counter. I hope y'all can forgive me for what I did, but I went to Harbor Freight without a coupon and without these being on sale when I bought them. I paid full price. And then it was by accident because I'm a ITC member. When I bought these, it was one of them deals where it was 25% off, but you didn't have to have a coupon if you're an ITC member. So I knew I to get one of them full. I was gonna pay full price. I know I should got a discount on it, and I didn't. But I'll talk to say more about that when I get to the price. I've been wanting to get this little set since it came out, but it's never in stock. And they had 6 or 7 of them in stock, so I grabbed one. So I knew I was gonna be paying full price. But it's been out for like what, over a year, and it's never in stock, so I went ahead and grabbed it. Will I ever use it? I don't know. I'm sure I might find some use for it, but I just wanted it. So I picked it up, and I know when it came out, it was like, what, $29 or $39? Well, I think this is now like, I think $49 was the price on it. It was either $49 or $39, I can't remember, but it's everything, 35 piece, you get 32 bits, the ratchet, the extension, and a case. Converts to a T-handle. There's your part number. All the sizes that come with it, lifetime warranty. Lock and flex head. Premium storage case. Designed by Icon. Made in Taiwan. And let y'all pause if you want to read any of that. Torx. So what are they pay you the copyright to use that? Yeah, I picked that up, and this is what I was really going for, was this. And it was a 25% off deal, and no coupon. But when I got outside to the truck, I realized they didn't give me my discount, which is should have been $10 off, but I didn't feel like going back in there, so I didn't. I just screw it. Which this is the 3rd time that they've done that. When you ain't gotta have a coupon, and I get outside and I realize they didn't give me my discount, because I still done so good. I bought a 2-year membership, so I still got like 2 years, almost. I'll say 1.5 years left on it. So always check before you leave a store. Make sure you get the discount. So pause reading of that. I was actually going for the what is it, 15 piece, and they had this one, premium blow molded case. So I went ahead and grabbed it. They had both of them in, which I've been trying to get that smaller set forever, but for some reason they had it in and this in, and I went ahead and grabbed them both. Get them while they're in stock. There's your part number. All your sizes. Lifetime warranty. Lid is engineered for easy removal. Oh, check that out. Converting a base and a storage tray. That's cool. Oh, these are made in China. Well, I think this is the first Icon tools I've seen made in China. If you know any ones that are made in China, comment down in the box. I'd like to know. Cause I got the Icon wrenches, some pliers. I can't ratchets, and they're all made in Taiwan. Well, let's get those boxes pushed to the side. And then I picked this up. Oh, I think this was 54 at the time of making this video. And this was around $55, I think. 53, something like that. I had the bronze yellow one, which I think is 750 lumens. And I did use that quite a bit. I did use that light product quite a bit, if I can talk. But I think if y'all seen the video, and I think I posted it on here, I was using it one night grilling, and I let it stuck on the top of the grill, and it melted. This was all melted. It still worked. I don't know what I did with it. I might have thrown it away. I don't know why I would have, since it still worked. But it still worked. This is all melted, cracked. It was kind of melted on the outside. But yeah, it still worked. Excuse me. And I picked it up for like $24 on sale. I think it's regular $30. Now this one is 2100 lumens, and it's bigger, but it puts out a whole lot more light. I mean, yeah, I tested it in the other night outside, still has charge on it. I got full batteries. Let's see. I need to change it. There he goes. That's high. They still got a full charge. On high 21, medium 1000, low 280. Is your run time. Oh, I'm sure it's gonna be hot. Made in China. What? Well, are they starting to make everything in China for Icon? There's your part number. And I can't remember if the bronze was USB-C or not. But anyway, I mean, I can't remember what it was. I'm glad this one is. Oh, it's also got USB. Well, water, dust, impact resistant, strong magnet, rotating head. All right, let's get the little. I already took them out the box. I should have took the light out. The case feels like some type of rubber. That's plastic. It's pretty small. And the latch, you push it and you open it. I don't know if I can be able to do this with my hand. Yeah. See here. And then you just push it down and it locks back. That's pretty easy to open one-handed. Of course, you got your Torx or stars. You got your security bits, flatheads, some Phillips, Allens. I'm a I know. This is S2 steel, the bits. I had the Icon Allen packs, and I've had them over a year now, and I've abused them, and they ain't rounded or anything. With this, But since I bought my Mac RBRT ones, I've been using them all the time. I might, with this kit, if one breaks, I might replace it with a RBRT bit and put it in there. Or I might just do that. Like with this kit, I don't think I would ever use them for the Phillips, the flatheads, and I don't think I'd probably even use. I think I've only seen one Torx at my work once, and I've been there about 2 years. So I might take all these bits out and replace them all with RBRTs, or I might replace some of them with RBRTs and throw some wear in there with a Holden, what's it called, the Holden feature. I might do that. But if the quality is anything like well, this is made in China, ain't it? The Allen packs, hex keys, whatever you want to call them, are made in. No, these are made in Taiwan. It's okay. So they should be good quality. Now the star of this kit, of course, is flex head ratchet and an extension. Get you close up on it. I don't know if y'all can even focus or read it. It says something. It's a little button right there. Right now it's locked. Push the button and you can flex the head. It's well balanced. See that white dot? And that white dot, that's where you line up your extension. If you needed to, you can put a bit in the bottom and use it that way. It ain't gonna come out, or it ain't gonna fall out. This video's gonna be longer than I thought it was. And of course you can make the handle longer. Or if you need some extra torque, some extra ugga-duggas, put it in there. And you see that white dot, and there should be a groove or something on here. I think that might be it right there. You line that up with the white dot, and it should go through right T-handle function. Yep, there you go. And there you got a T-handle. Or you can put a bit on that side or in the bottom. And if you take it out, oh, she gone. Found her. Now, if you don't line up the dot with a little markings, whatever you want to call it, it shouldn't go in all the way. All right, we gotta do the other side. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. And now you can use it for that. And of course you got your selector switch. Yeah, that's that. It's a nice little kit, but honestly, I think it's way overpriced for I say $49. Honestly, what y'all think? Put in a comment what y'all think this is actually worth. I'm gonna say about 25. All right, let's speed things up here. We're 15 minutes in. Blow molded case. It says another 25-piece screw extractor set. Forgot about those. How easy does it come out? We can open it first. No, it just kind of slides out. I don't want to take it off though. I might here in a minute. Got little metal hooks, patches, and plastic. Here's the top. Oh, you got a little piece of paper. 25-piece multi-spline extractor set. I guess that would be instructions. Yeah, I guess. Nothing on the back. Uh-oh. Ah, screw it. It's just a little foam piece. You can stay down there. And here you go. Let's get the big one out. Focus. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It says icon, and I can barely see it. 7/8. That's true. That's on last. Hold on. I gotta get my glasses. Drill. Okay. Okay. I thought that's what it was. Now if it was maybe a part number or something. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. They got some weight to them. I can't. Is it focus? Can y'all see? Cause I can't. I mean, it's in a extractor set. Ain't much you can say about it. I do plan on going back and get the 15-piece set. When I have a coupon. I think those are people always knocking on Harbor Freight, and I get that. Some the tools are junk, but so far out of the icon stuff, I have not had a problem with them at all. The ratchets, I think it's got the ratchets. Because I got these now, and I got the what else do I got? Grab my knife real quick. So I can open this up. I can't remember what I got. I got my trusty Make Two's pocket knife. Alright, let me open this up, be right back. Alright, got it open. I really like the look of it. I almost picked up the brown again because they had it, the one I had was yellow and they had it in blue, and I really liked the blue, but I ended up getting this one. The magnet on the brown was real strong, so I'm sure this one's even better. Got a little tag on it. Warning. This is your charging cable, I believe, but I know it's kind of late for me here. Plug the USB charging cable, not included. But ain't that included? What's not included is a charging jack, right? I don't know, it's late. Let's see. Of course, I'm gonna show you the power button. It's fully charged, got three lights on it. Don't know. Look away, look away. Of course, it swivels 360, don't it? And at 360. Yeah. It's kind of hard to swivel one-handed. It's tight. Braun wasn't that hard to do, but of course this one's bigger. Got 3 bars. Let's see, it's on low, medium, high. It's bright. It's way brighter than a Braun is. And of course, you only got 3 bars on the light. Gonna cut it off. With that input output, I'm gonna plug it in to see if it'll get any charge, if it'll blink or anything. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I have used this a couple times, and I left it in the box so I could make a video for it. All right, got it plugged in, going into the jack. Now, I guess it ain't fully charged. It'll all 3 lights will be lit up when it's fully charged. It says you can remove the battery. You got to remove the battery, take these 6 screws out, cut the wires on the battery, and remove it. It says to charge it every 3 months. I believe it's not in use. Charge every 3 months from wearing down. It adds life to the battery. That's what it says. I don't know. Let y'all pause, read. Battery removal. Safety stuff, run time. I came close to ordering the light from JDT Jersey Discount Tools, their brand. It's a 1,000 lumens. I may end up ordering it anyway, because like I said, I do use it quite a bit. Puts out a lot of light and it does come in handy. I think they got theirs comes with a protective case around it. I think they got green, and I think they added blue. I may get the blue one. But that's all I got for this video. Until next time.